Hello! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon, and if you want to adjust the screen brightness, change it, you can tap on this icon. As you can see, it changed to the max brightness, and if you tap on it again, it will be set to dim, and if you tap on it again, it will be normal. So basically, if the icon is grayed out, it means that the brightness is set to normal, but if you tap on it, you can set it to max. The icon will change how it looks, and it will be highlighted, and the dim icon will also change how it looks, and it will be highlighted, but the screen will be a lot dimmer. Okay, you can also change the screen brightness by going to settings or through settings. To do it, you can open quick panel, tap on the settings icon, and settings you can tap on display, and here we have the brightness option, and we have 3 levels of brightness. We have dim, normal, and max. And once you select the level of brightness, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.